Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to be associated with the commencement of the event Yoga for Unity and Well-being that begins today and will culminate after 100 days into the celebration of the International Day of Yoga on 21st June 2021. I personally felt the unifying effect of yoga when I celebrated the International Day of Yoga in the year 2018 in Suriname. The President of Suriname and I performed asanas together in the presence of a large number of people from Suriname. They demonstrated tremendous enthusiasm for yoga. The concept of health, according to yoga, goes beyond physical well-being. Yoga is an approach to holistic well-being which includes physical and mental fitness. Its benefits lead to freedom from psychological stress and bodily ailments. It results in high level of positive energy. It is also a path to spiritual calmness. Yoga is not associated with any religion, reason, or people, but belongs to the entire world and all of humanity. I want to convey my deep appreciation to Swami Ramdev Ji, Dr. H.R. Nagendra, Sri Kamlesh Patel Daji, and other yoga gurus who will be helping the participants with their exceptional effectiveness. I also convey my best wishes to all the gurus and disciples participating in this event of truly a great transformative potential.
योग से हम परमात्मा से जुड़ते हैं और इस एक ब्रह्म की ज्योति हम सब जीवों में देखते हैं। ये जो भी दृष्ट है ये अपर ब्रह्म है और इस पर अपर ब्रह्म के परे वो परात पर ब्रह्म है। मूर्त अमूर्त व्यक्त अव्यक्त प्रत्यक्ष परोक्ष सगुण साकार निर्गुण निराकार यो माम पश्यति सर्वत्र सर्वम च मयि पश्यति तस्याहं न प्रणश्यामि सच में न प्रणश्यति। वह सर्वगत ब्रह्म एक ही है। ओम वासुदेवः सर्वम ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वम। बस अनुभूति हो गई तो उस अनंत के साथ जुड़ गए तो सबके साथ जुड़ जाते हैं। इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ, कुछ लोग कहते हैं ये योगी हो गया भी किसी के काम का नहीं। मैं कहता हूँ जो योगी हो गया वो सबके काम का है, क्योंकि जो योगी हो जाता है वो भगवान का हो जाता है। वो भगवान के नाते, भगवान की प्रसन्नता के लिए, भगवान के प्रियाचरण के लिए इस संसार में सबका उपकार करता है, सबका भला करता है, सबसे प्रेम करता है, सबके प्रति करुणा से सबको ऊंचा उठाना चाहता है। ये है योग की यूनिटी।
Who doesn't know what yoga is? Everyone have heard this word, whether you believe in it or not. First and foremost, yoga is not a religious item. Though where religion has failed, yoga fulfills it in a very scientific way. In order to have a scientific experiment proven in this way or that way, one need not have a belief system. So does yoga. Yoga does not demand any faith or any belief or any dogma. Thus, it is far beyond religion. It is not even a philosophy. Yoga is a way of life. I welcome you all to please register your participation. You can also invite your friends and family members. Please join us for this next day of yoga marathon in order to arrive at unity and bring about some well-being in our day-to-day life. May God bless all. Thank you.